I've waited lifetimes to find you. Now that you're here, I can remind you.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Kiki and this is KISSIMMEE. Welcome back to my channel. For this style, we'll be using water and leave-in conditioner to achieve the beach wave look. As always, we want to start by sectioning our hair off into more manageable sizes. Starting from the back section, I make sure my locks are saturated with water, but not too much drip. Then I'll go ahead and add the spray leave-in conditioner. Now that all the product has been added to the hair, I begin to twist my locks into a spiral, and then I wrap it around itself to create a mini bun. Secure the bun and continue throughout your hair. Good morning. It is now the next morning, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the scarf and then start to remove the bands from each bun.
Take time just to get to know me. Once I come around, don't wanna go. Take time to too many things on my mind. Too many things on too many things on my mind. Too many things on. I don't know how to describe it. Heartbeat that can't keep quiet. Yeah, know you want me, there's no lying. I hope it's true. I really do. Phone down, put it on silence. You should talk to me all night.
Now that we got all those bands out the way, it's time to catch a wave. Go ahead and unwrap each bun to reveal the type of waves that you have achieved. I feel that if you keep the Bantu knots in longer, you will get a more wavier, or curlier rather, lock look than I have. But I do like this new look. Let's get into this wave because I am definitely feeling this. Comment down below if y'all like this look, and don't forget to like and subscribe because you don't want to miss out on any more of these videos.